you. Thanks for stopping all for those people. You know I'm recording.
Yeah. Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, mother. Out. I just wanted to say, during this time of quarantine, don't be a slave. I've noticed I spend so much of my life looking at Instagram and going, who should I follow? Who are they following? I should follow them too. Who's following me?
Oh no.
It's just not important. Let's live life, people. Bye. It's okay, it's waterproof. It's water resistant. That's the same thing, right?
It's time to be a hero. A hero with a mask. Not this kind. This kind.
Seen this?